currently at the beauty supply store to get the braiding hair that I need. I'm gonna redo my nails too, and then I'm gonna reset for everything because I did get a silk press recently, but it turned into an afro. So I picked out some nails. These are the ones that I chose. I like these because they Hello Kitty. And then I got these for work. But I'm running out of these. And she didn't take forever. I'm currently looking for the free twist hair. Let's see. So I'm gonna go with this expression hair. India says she needs some too. So, because I think she's getting her hair done as well. Get 2 packs of these. My hair don't require any boho this time, and I feel sick to my stomach because I always get boho. I'm gonna just get one beef nevertheless. And then I want some highlights. I'm thinking blonde. That'll be really cute. So, my cousin told me to get 3 packs of hair, so I got 2 packs of black and then 1 pack of blonde. So the hairstyle I want requires some beads or something. I'm not sure which one. I could do gold. That'd be really cute. Or this cream color. I'm thinking about these right here. Let me get 2. So I'm wondering what I could do with. I can either do these or the ones that I just seen. I think I'm gonna go with these because I think they look like more adult.
Because what size braid you want? It's gonna be like a 3 style in one.
Yeah.
That ain't hard.
But they pay you $18 an hour and you get the commissions during training is completely free. They give you free commissions.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So the whole first month you get free commissions and you don't have to work so hard. Make it lower each month until it's 0 and then you have to make your own. But you do get
about $1 for my buck. Thank you.
Okay.
But don't start playing with my money.
No, for real. But hopefully they changed a lot of stuff. Because I heard it was from my friend that still worked there. She said they changed a lot of things about the commissions and stuff. So I was like, you know what?
Come on!
Let me check my email actually. Because I applied for a couple of them. I would love to work from home. That would be nice.
You been silly.
But that's because ain't nobody
needing for the job. Computers, headset. Some of them, I seen one work from home job, it provided the hotspot if you had a Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I would definitely love that. They broke my laptop.
What? Who?
Somebody, but they dropped it. And when I opened up my laptop, I didn't even see it. When we brought it in, it was closed. So when I opened it up, it was all cracked up.
From the
it was
trip?
still able to turn on. No,
come on!
Because technically, y'all can.
Right.
Oh my God.
That'd be cute. What? Don't record me going back.
Oh my gosh.
I told her, but this time I told her that I wanted them.
Bree had to go back and add something to the link.
She wait till I get all the way to the top.
Don't be trying to tell on me.
No, she wait. I not asked her, Erin, do you want this link? Yeah, cousin, this is fine. I get all the way to the top. I want these a little long. Really?
What's this?
It's an edge brush. It's foldable.
Travel set.
Ain't that cute? Bro, I needed that because I don't know. The other ones is dirty. Stitch braids on flicky.
You're supposed to be there impressing the coach.
So we're almost done. Just gotta do the little bang part. I'm so excited.
Hey, pothead! Oh, Jason, whoa, man. I thought you were my dream. Hey, you want some cereal?
You got the munchies. Been token reefer in here?
Oh, no, man. I was just looking for the prize, actually.
Do you have any idea how much electricity costs?
No. But it should be cool. You and me, we could put in those solar panels, and that's what's up.
I'll just roll with y'all.
Almost done, I guess.
See, the thing is, we like rolling in a 3-seater.
We started
so
earlier. So, this is a hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. I really like it. It's giving me 90s. And I love the beads. I love the look. It's really cute. Overall, I love it. Hey guys, so it is the next day and now I'm on my way to work. I ended up doing my nails. This is the set I ended up putting on. I feel like it's appropriate for work. But it's a cute. My hair and I love my nails. Shout out to my cousin Braid. If you ever in St. Louis, make sure you get your hair done by her. If you like this hairstyle, comment